Hello lovely ones, this session is all about ignite your belief. Now we can get really clear on our purpose and that can be very meaningful for us, and we can set goals, our vision that is aligned with our purpose. But if the foundation of belief isn't there, then our system, our mind will get in the way of us having those experiences in our lives. So working on what we believe to be true or possible for ourselves is fundamental to you having a purposeful life with those goals and experiences in that you want. So in this session, we are going to it's going to be experiential, it's going to be participative, you're not going to be put on the spot, but we are going to look at what are your fundamental beliefs about what is possible for you in your life. We're going to break through those beliefs once and for all that get in the way of you having them if you want to. And we're going to look at the beliefs that you do have that work for you. We're going to bring them into awareness in a way that you can consciously use these beliefs, these thoughts, to support you moving forwards the way that you want to. So we're just going to look inside your mind. We've only got 2 hours, but we're going to look inside your mind and we're going to do a little bit of a spring clean on the thoughts that are helpful and the thoughts that are not helpful, and perhaps a little bit of an understanding of where those thoughts came from and why you have them and how they've played out in your life. It's an absolutely brilliant session, if I do say so myself, because ultimately our life is filled with experiences that we believe are possible for us, and we're not having the experiences that we don't believe are possible for us. So I want to help you have a little bit more control over how your mind is manifesting your life experiences. So book on, and I shall so look forward to sharing this session with you. You will love it. All right, lovelies. See you soon.